Hello friends, today we will learn how to make our own website, and that is also totally free, and that also in 10 minutes. How? See, you all technically know that to make your own website you have to book your domain. Domain means your name. For example, my name is Bintu and I have a shop of shoes, right? And I want to create my presence on the net. My name, say, harmanishoes.com. So this harmanishoes.com is nothing but a domain name. It's a unique IP address for me. For creating a website, you obviously need a domain name, and beside this, you need one web space on the server where you will upload your website content, right? And we also know that to create a website, you need to learn some web frameworks like PHP, JSP, .NET, and many others. Before that, also you need to start with the basics like HTML and JavaScript. But if I'm a businessman, I don't have any programming knowledge, can't I make my own website? Yes, you can. Many of the hosts provides you nowadays ready to use website builders. They provide you templates like GoDaddy, HostGator, and there are so many website providers. They all provide you the templates. You just replace their photographs with your shoe content, whatever the business you're doing, your content, your text meta, and your contact form. You just replace the existing content and make your website within minutes. The first thing is that I don't want to book the domain right now. I don't want to space the web space for me. I just want to create my presence on the net free of cost. Are there any websites for that? Yes. You search on the Google and you'll find so many sites that provide you the space free of cost. But what they do, I tell you, they don't provide you the main domain. For example, I want to create a website by name harmanishoes.com. They won't get you the harmanishoes.com. Like for example, one site is there yola.com. So it will create a website for you by name harmanishoes.yola.com. That is, they will keep the primary domain by their own name. They provide you the subdomain harmanishoes.yola.com. Right? Whenever you want to upgrade yourself, you want to shift your site from subdomain to main domain, they'll charge you. Right? So this is the website. We'll see to it how to do it step by step, create our own website free of charge. Let's see.
Hi, so let us create a website for ourselves. Let's assume that I run a showroom of shoes. I have a business of shoes and I want to show my presence on the internet through my website. But before creating my own website, I have to do a small of homework. I have to get certain images of my products. Suppose I'm dealing with casual shoes, formal shoes, sandals and all. So I have to keep the images of the products that I sell. See, to make my website attractive, I have to display certain images. Beside images, I need a small description of the products that I sell. Like for example, a couple of lines for the casual shoe, a couple of lines for the formal shoes, lady shoes, sandal and all, along with the prices. Once I'm done, once I have the images and a small of the matter, I can start with creation of my website. I want to create my website for free. So, I'll open Google. Here I'll search for create free website. I'll get the list of certain websites. They provide me a free subdomain and a small of web space where I can upload my pictures and matter, where I can upload my website. The best part is that for creating my website, I don't have to write a single line of code because these websites provide me a templates that already contain certain images and the text. I have to just replace that images and the text with my own products. That's it. These are the sites that get me the place to create my own website. For example, this is website.com, this is webnode.com, website builder, webself.net. There are so many, Wix and yola.com. There are so many. See, webs.com. They not only provide you the free subdomain, but also the free website builder also. A website builder is a GUI based technique. It's an interactive way of creating your website in just few minutes. Let's take this site, say webnode.com. Let's see it. See, it is showing you create your own website for free. Click on get started. It is asking me to enter a website name. Suppose I give the name as say Harmani Classic Shoes. Suppose email address is harvanibm@gmail.com, and this is my password. Register and create. What type of website you want to create? Website or e-commerce site? It's up to me. In e-commerce site, it will get you technique to deal with credit cards and the different payment modes also. Let's create a website. It is asking you to select the template that you want. I will select the template that suits my requirement, right? See, there are so many templates. You can select any of them. Hair salon. See, there are so many sites. Art and fashion, chair, sofa. See, there are so many templates. Click the one that suits you. Let us select this one. See, this is showing you the options. Select choose template. Your website is almost ready. Harvani Classic Shoes edit my website, right? Now I can change it. See, superb shoes by Harvani. See, welcome to my website. Best varieties of shoes at economic prices. See, this I can edit with my shoe, any shoe, right? Select change image. It is showing me the built-in images already that the site provides. I'll select on upload image and I will upload all my shoes. See, I'll select all of them because I'll be requiring them. They are here. Now let us select one shoe, like say this one. Okay, close. See, it has come over here. This I'll change with say sports this, and here this is my text for sports shoe. I'll select it, Control C for copying, and replace it with my text. See, replace again, click here, change image, right? And here I'll take this say formal shoe, and again replace this matter with this thing. You can have any number of, again click here, change image, select say sandal, right? And comfortable sandals, and I'll put this text over here. See, I can replace any number of it. See, change image, smart football shoes, and replace it say, I do have lady shoes also, so select lady shoes, and change it with say this matter. Let's change this one also with something, this one, gymming shoes. Change this matter with something, whatever, say this one. See, here I'll go to settings. See, it provides you analytics also, backup and recovery also. Anyway, see, there are 3 links over here: jewelry, about me, contact. Jewelry is my home page, right? See, let's replace this, shoes at its best quality. Would you like shoes made just for you? Here are 3 links. Let's select contact first. This is the place where the visitor of my website can send me the query, right? Please fill in the below form for any query. The moment a person will submit, I'll get it. This is here about me. Click here. I'll just replace this text by we are the oldest in the with the widest range of shoes for jeans as well as ladies. This is that website header. You can select any picture if you want to, any color. Let's assume our website is complete. Let's select on publish. Website is being published. Harmani Classic Shoes Webnode.com. This is my name, right? Now you can click here to see it's available here. See, when anybody will click on contact, you will get a contact form. Suppose somebody fills in, say, Bintu Harmani, and say the person's mail who is sending me the mail is bmharmani@yahoo.com, and he is asking that do you provide formal shoes in 10 color of size 10, and click submit. See what happens. The form was submitted successfully. Click here. See, Harmony Classic Shoes. See, you got the query mailed to you. Dear webnode user, somebody bmharmani@yahoo.com has sent you the query. Do you provide formal shoes in 10 color? See, anybody who will contact you, who will try to contact you, right? So my website is complete here, right? And that is also free of charge. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.